Now you keep an eye out for that marlin, Shane, because I'm gonna catch it with this.
Sizzling saucepan, Sam. That's a big rod.
Big rod to catch a big fish, Shane. Now help me get strapped into this chair.
It'll take a big fish to get you out of that chair, Sam.
Don't underestimate this marlin, Shane. I've had my run-ins with him before. He's eaten my sardines and always got away. But not this time. Not this time. This time, I'll get him. And then the sardines will be for us. Oops.
Oh no, that phone hasn't stopped ringing all day.
I'll get it, Izzy. Hello? Yes. A booking for tonight? Yeah, it's sardines on the menu. Great. We'll see you then. That's another booking, Izzy. The restaurant's going to be full tonight.
We're going to need a bigger frying pan.
What? Shane, wake up. I think we have something.
Is it the marlin?
It is the marlin. There he is. Isn't he a handsome devil? Shane, bring the net up. He's not having my sardines again.
Oh, the marlin's cut the net again.
We're gonna need a bigger rod. This should hold him.
Ho. I've repaired the net again, Sam.
Great job, Shane.
I'll just give Izzy a call, see how she's doing. Hello, Izzy. I just wanted to let you know we might be a little later than expected. How's everything going there?
Okay, I guess. Your sardine menu's really popular. We're fully booked. I think we're going to need a bigger restaurant.
Don't you worry, Izzy. We'll be back soon with enough sardines for everyone.
Here he is, Shane the chef. But be quiet. You'll scare them.
Scare who?
Oh, just
Are they
look at
pretty?
them.
I'm sure that fox was sniffing around the restaurant this morning.
And that other one spooked my sheep. I recognise its wonky ear.
They look really hungry. This cold weather's made it really hard for wild animals to find food. There must be something we can do to help them.
Think I know what we can do. Right, Izzy. So today, we're going to cook up something a little different. So we've got lard, birdseed, leftover cheese, currants, oats, and sultanas.
And empty yogurt pots and string.
Right, let's get cooking. For the animals. There we go. Lovely bird cakes. And we have plenty of leftover scraps for the foxies.
Yay! Let's get feeding.